Hey, good morning! This is Sir Shalom. Okay, ngayong araw gagawa tayo ng aloe vera goat's milk moisturizing soap. Alright! Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ngayon, meron tayo ditong oil. We have coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, and our special oil, shea butter. And ito ang ating secret ingredient, a mixture of goat's milk, aloe vera, and honey. And of course, we have milky scent. Alright. First, paghahaluin natin dito sa main container natin ang ating mga oil. Okay, so first, we have the coconut oil. We have the palm oil. So first method is premix our oil, shea butter. Now, let's mix the lye solution into the oil. So, ano nga ba ang function ng lye? Ang lye ay, siya ang main soaping agent. So, kung wala tayong lye, wala tayong sabon. Let's now put the secret ingredient. Okay. Ganda oh. Milky. And then our scent. So ang total batch na to ay around 7 kilos. So creamy. So kapag yung droplet nagpo-form na siya ng trace, that's the time na maglalagay tayo sa mold. So we're done with the mixing. Lagay na natin siya sa mold. Good. Oh.
Dapat may ano pa yun? Next week.
Ayaw ko yun. Yung gano'n. Teka lang. Mamaya. Kaso baka tumulo pa din eh. Okay. Diba? Sabi ba? Yung gano'n. Alright! Joke lang yan. Hawag nyo gagawin yan. Oh.